First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To fine-tune your prompts, start by identifying exactly what you want Gemini to accomplish. A good prompt should clearly explain the task, provide the necessary context, and describe what the final answer should look like. Instead of writing a vague instruction like, "Write about this topic," give Gemini more specific information. For example, you can define the target audience, writing style, length, important points, and output format. Next, test your original prompt with several different inputs. Don't judge the prompt from only one response. Try multiple examples and look for patterns in the results. If Gemini misunderstands the task, make the instructions more specific. If the answer is too long, define a maximum length or a concise response style. If the output structure changes between requests, provide a clear format or example. You can also use examples to demonstrate exactly what you want. For example, provide an input and show Gemini the type of output you expect. Then test the improved prompt again. Another useful technique is to separate instructions from the information Gemini needs to process. Clearly explain the task first, then provide the actual content